Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Physics. In this session, we will discuss about the derivation of expression for kinetic energy. Derivation of expression for kinetic energy. Now let us suppose that a body of mass m is lying on a smooth surface. This is a smooth surface and a body of mass m is lying here. Its mass is m and initial velocity is 0 and a force F is applied on it, and due to this force it moves through a distance s. S is the displacement due to this force, and here velocity is v. Let us suppose that a body of mass m is lying on a smooth surface. Let a force F is applied on the body and the body moves to a distance here, that is displacement is. Let V be the final velocity and A be the acceleration. Acceleration produced due to force F. Now we know that the work done by a force F on body is given by dot product of force and displacement. That is, work is equal to dot product of force and displacement is equal to Fs cos theta. Here theta is the angle between displacement and direction of force. Here theta is 0 degree because displacement is in the direction of force. So here theta is 0 degree. So this will be equal to Fs cos 0 degree. Thus we have work done is equal to force into displacement. Since cos 0 degree equal to 1. Now, by Newton's second law, now we have force equal to mass into acceleration. Now by equations of motion we have some V square equal to U square plus twice A S. When U is the initial velocity. Initial velocity is 0, so this will be 0 plus twice A S. This implies that V square equal to twice A S. This implies that A is the displacement is equal to V square upon twice A. Let this be equation third. Now from equations 1, 2 and 3, now putting the value of F and S in equation 1, of F and S. From equations 2 and 3. In 1 we get work is equal to F is M into A. And displacement is V square upon twice A. Let's cancel. This is equal to half M V square. This implies that work done is equal to half M V square. Now this work done is equal to kinetic energy. So when force F is applied on the body and if its velocity is V, then kinetic energy of the body will be half mv square. This implies that kinetic energy of the body is equal to half mv square. This is the expression for kinetic energy of a moving body. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.